Yo, what's up, Diamond Family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, hey man, stick around. So look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. I've been getting a lot of messages about, what's the vocal chain, what gear are you running through? So today I'm going to take that out of the equation. We're going to be using the $99 mic from our $800 versus $99 mic comparison. We're going to use no outboard gear. We're going to go directly into the Apollo, use the Apollo preamps, and go into Pro Tools. So I'm going to show you guys that the mic doesn't matter, man. To top it all off, I got Jerry Legend sitting in the same room with me, sitting right next to me. We're going to track his vocals right here in the control room. All right, so let's do that. We're going to still do the cook up. Jerry's going to be writing the song right off of the top of the head. I cooked up the beat off camera. And we're going to be using our free template that's available down below. If you don't have a template, this is the one, man. Pick it up. It's going to completely change the way that you sound, completely change the way that you record, completely change the way that you mix immediately. Definitely pick it up down below. It's completely free. That's all I got. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I actually haven't even heard his mic yet. So I'm about to unmute his mic and, kind of get the vocal, get the level together and all that kind of thing. And we'll go from there. I'll open up the console in Apollo so you can see this is my mic right here where I have a couple of effects, but his mic is going to be on channel 4. Jerry, say something.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2.
Oh, it might help if I put on my headphones.
Okay.
You take none and no better. It's sad that you said I would not say. Alright, yeah. Said you would not settle, but truth is you could do better. Alright, what about you? You said you would not settle. Yeah. You said that you could do. Nah, they told you could do. They told you could do better. Babe, I did. They told you could do better. Yeah, I did. Nothing lasts forever. But why did you treat me so whatever? Why did you treat me so whatever?
Bars, let's go.
Nothing lasts forever. But why did you?
You could just keep it running. I'll just try. You want to keep recording it, and I'll just try to get one.
Okay, bet that. Let's do it.
But why nothing lasts forever? Yeah. But why did you last forever? But why did you let me fall?
I forgot the words.
Treat me so whatever.
But why did you treat me so whatever? But why did you treat me so whatever?
Alright, that last one might have been cool.
Yeah, I like that one. Let's move it.
But why did you treat me so whatever? I can't make forever. I can't make her. But why did you treat me so whatever? You can't love like it. I've been like deny. I can't move without you. And sometimes I cry, cause I'm nowhere around you. Oh no, you know I believed your lies and oh no. Let's try that. I cry, cause I'm nowhere around you. No. You know that I believed your lies and you know that I believed your around you. No. You know that I believed your lies, babe. Oh no. Know that I believed your lies, babe. Oh no. Tears are falling from my eyes now. That's sign. No tears, no feels. Just sign. Falling from my eyes now. There's no tears, I don't feel no wasted time. I smiled when you're near, but you're gone, and I try cry.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's clever.
On my eyes now, there's no tears, I don't feel no wasted time. I smile when you're near, but you're gone, and I try cry.
Yeah, you're right. We could just keep it simple.
Like a pimple.
Yeah.
That what you say?
But it's dope. Simple
You're
like a
gone,
pimple.
I try cry.
Yeah.
Oh, I try cry. Oh, I try cry. I try cry. Yeah, 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 yeah. I try cry.
That little
You know what I'm saying?
island
You know
joint
what
was
I'm
tough.
saying?
Yeah, we
You
gotta
know
throw
what I'm
that in
saying?
there. That's stupid though. That joint.
I
Bet. So as you can see, that's basically it, man. We used the cheapest mic I have. We ran it directly into the Apollo. No compression on the way in. No preamp on the way, just the built-in preamps, and the vocal still sounds great, man. I'm telling you, it's not about the gear, it's about the skills that you use. So look, man, if you want to learn a little bit more, take it a little bit further, check out our vocal mixing masterclass down below. It's going to teach you the skills to record vocals just like this and mix vocals to sound great without getting any more gear. Using the gear you currently have, it's amazing. It's going to change the game for you. Look, man, I'm VV. That's all I got for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
And sometimes I cry, cause I'm nowhere around you. No, no. You know that I believed your lies, babe. Oh, no. Tears are falling from my eyes now. There's no tears, I don't feel no wasted time. I smile